So we have question 20b from the past paper listed above, and there should be a copy of the paper below, along with a playlist of all the questions up until this point answered. So question 20b says, Jamil rides a motorbike. The motorbike uses 1 litre of petrol for every 14 miles. How many litres of petrol does the motorbike use to go 168 kilometres? Use the fact that 8 kilometres is equal to 5 miles. And this is a 3-mark question. So when we're looking at 168 kilometres, let's convert that to miles, because we know that 1 litre of petrol is going to give us 14 miles, and we can use the ratio of 8 kilometres to 5 miles to convert the 168 kilometres into miles. So we know 8 kilometres is equal to 5 miles, so if we wanted to rearrange this equation and divide both sides by 8, so we're going to get rid of this 8 here and then divide the other side by 8, we can work out 1 kilometre is equal to 5 over 8 miles. We have 168 kilometres, so 168 times 5 over 8, because 1 kilometre is 5/8 of a mile. That's going to give us 105 miles. You also know you're on the right track doing this because a mile is actually longer than a kilometre, so you will have a lower unit of measure that is equivalent. Does that make sense? So for example, 168 kilometres, converting that, it's not going to be, 200 miles or 300 miles. It should be a lower value because it's a larger unit of measure. Next up, we know that 1 litre of petrol gets us 14 miles on the motorbike. So if we take 105 and divide it by 14, we will see how many litres of petrol we need. So let's do 105 divided by 14, and that's going to give us 7.5 litres. So the final answer is 7.5 or 7.5. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully that helped. Any comments or questions, drop them down below. Best of luck with your maths, and thanks for watching the video.